Peekaboo. That's your favorite, isn't it? Peekaboo. Kiss. That's right, buddy. You like it when I give you kisses, don't you? You're such a good boy. Yes. 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 That's right, buddy. Peekaboo. 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 You're a good boy, you know that? I love you. You're the best little birdie. Best little birdie. Are you dancing? Dancing. Yes, we're happy. Kiss. Peekaboo. Good boy. Good boy. Hi. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. I swear, Peekaboo and Kiss are his favorite. Are you happy? Yes, we're dancing, aren't we? So, Dad, do we have a happy birdie?
We have a happy bird.
We have a happy bird. Say hi, buddy. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Are you dancing? Are you putting... What are you doing? Oh. Just... Oh, hello. Hey, nobody. You're a good boy, Uncle Feathers. Good boy. Yes. Oh. Whoops. You don't like... Sorry about that. He's still molting. So... Yeah. Doesn't like when you touch him on his quills, so... By quills, I mean the quills that hold the feathers, so... Yeah. He's a good boy, though. Yes, you bite us sometimes, but you're a good boy. You're a good boy. Yes! 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 Oh, yes, if you're going to preen yourself, and I'm going to preen you, yes. Peekaboo! 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 Are you done talking? Yes, you're just going to preen yourself now. Okay. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Yes, you know what bye-bye is. Bye-bye.